Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at Polestar. So Polestar is set to double UK locations as its electric car sales has climbed. You got to understand, Polestar increased their sales by 125% in the course of 1 year. They've already sold 21,000 vehicles this year, and they've had around 32,000 pre-orders. That's absolutely incredible. The question is, how will this affect sales in the UK for Polestar? Obviously, sales are going to increase, but this is a great thing. Naturally, I kind of understand why they're doing this because the Polestar 3 is coming next year, and they need this vehicle to hit the market red hot. They need this vehicle to hit the market like a thunderstorm. They don't want to delay it. They want the excitement and they want the confidence. And they have the confidence to go with the fact that they are beating some company at something that they should be better at. But Polestar is beating a lot of legacy automakers. So Polestar expects to at least double its UK sales volume by the end of 2022 as the brand continues to win over EV buyers. It is set to expand its small network of Polestar spaces to 4 in autumn, opening at Battersea in London, and UK Chief Executive Jonathan Goodman told AM its physical footprint will double further to 8 locations by the end of 2023. Expansion will include the first location in Scotland. That's brilliant. Now, Jonathan Goodman also said a clear sign of momentum building beyond the brand is its 22,000 delivery globally in the first half of 2022, which compared to a full year of 2021 results of 29,000 units. That's what they did last year. They sold 29,000 units. This year in the first half, they already sold 22,000 units. Earlier in the video, I said it was 21,000. That's what I've been told. That's what I've seen online. I've seen that on the Polestar website. But on AM Online, they're saying it's 22,000. So take that with a grain of salt. Now in the UK, Polestar registration totals of 2,828 units within the first half of 2022. That's a 72% increase on H1 of 2022. However, reading on the Polestar website, they actually said that it was 125% an increase on sales. Now the Polestar 3 SUV, that goes on sales in October with UK delivery starting in 2023. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see these cars on the road, and I can't wait to get one of these cars to review. I need it. Jonathan Goodman, help me out. Now currently, 1 in 8 Polestar cars built, that comes to the UK. However, the brand has increased the number of countries where its vehicles are now sold since the start of the year. Goodman said it doesn't fear that the UK sales opportunity will constrained by Polestar expansion into other countries, as demand for EVs in the UK is increasingly quickly as it provides a great opportunity, and second shift of workers have been added at Polestar assembly plant in China, so the global supply volume will ramp up accordingly. So you'll see it at the end of January, now being quoted for deliveries, and love to be able to quote people a shorter lead time, but we're on a great growth curve in the UK. Order books are fantastic, and our job is to accelerate that. End quote by Jonathan Goodman. Now the good news is that Polestar launch plan was always to start with 10 markets. US, Canada, China, and 7 European countries including UK, and to grow from there. It's now in 25 countries and will increase to 30 countries next year in 2023. Remember now, Polestar 2025 goal is to deliver and sell 290,000 vehicles. Now, right now as we speak globally, there's about 55,000 Polestar vehicles on the road. In the UK, there's around 7,600 on the road. That's incredible. And to come from a standing start in 2020, that's great. That was also said by Jonathan Goodman. And it's true because 2020, they were nowhere. 2021, they delivered 29,000. 2022, they delivered 21,000 already in the first half. Now, for everyone who's curious about the Polestar share, we can touch on that a little bit. Now, today is Tuesday. Price is actually going down. It's $9.53. The interesting thing is that the entire market is going up, while Polestar is going down. In my voice, it might sound optimistic, and that's mostly because I like cheap share. I'm not gonna lie. In the last 5 days, let's not forget, Polestar was as high as $10.63. It was doing phenomenal at times. But every time the share goes down and you see people losing hope, honestly, you're not a Polestar fan to begin with. A real Polestar fan is willing to hold that Polestar share forever. Never letting go, never giving up. That's a real Polestar fan because we understand that it's a long-term game. Now, it's truly a long-term game, so I'm already seeing people on Twitter losing hope. They're getting a little bit uncomfortable. which is interesting, but the market cap is still above 20 billion. So I don't understand why people are panicking. Ease yourself. Just chill, all right? But can Polestar get back to $10 before the end of this week? I'm not too sure. Most likely they'll be somewhere around $9.70 to $9.80 and maybe $9.90. That's if some good news come out to help propel us. But so far, you got to remind yourself that Polestar hasn't been out in the market for that long. They went live on the 24th of June. They haven't been out for that long. 5 more days from now, it will make it a month. Wow, time really does fly. But in my opinion, price target for the end of this week for Polestar, we're looking at probably $9.80 to $9.90 at the most. At the most. At the lowest, we're probably looking at $9.40, $9.50. Around the market is right now. But I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow with the market. But since Monday, when the market opened, Netflix was doing good. A lot of companies are doing amazing. And let me assure you, one of those companies is also Google, Alphabet. They're doing incredible as well because they announced a stock split. I think it was a 2-to-1 stock split. And obviously you can see that it's having a positive result. That's for sure. Yesterday, July the 18th, the price was $109. Google is quite stable. Look at the last month for Google. It's quite stable if you take into consideration the stock split. But the charts, just look at the charts. It's quite stable. At the lowest point, $107. That's a bottom for the last month. But overall, the entire market is doing quite good. Even Meta is doing good. I know, shock. Last 5 days for Meta, they've been recovering quite lovely. Last month for Meta, it's been volatile to say the least, but at least it's been recovering. But that's it for this video. I just wanted to explain to you that the market is doing well right now. It's just that Polestar is kind of being affected badly, a little bit. But don't let that discourage you. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in my next video.